okay. It's not only about strength.
Come on, Tommy, see if you can get the ball. The quarterback should never lose the ball.
Back to throw. He looks, he throws, he completes, takes it down to the 10. Yeah!
This is a big moment for Tom Brady. The most important game of his life. Johnson, fight!
Here we go. Let's play again. In the pocket.
He's looking for the pass.
The clock is down to 4.
Run up!
Brady in trouble.
Last night. That's some comeback in all of sports. I mean, he just wins.
Mom, we're bored. Let's fun do this! Dad, that was pretty sharp.
Cheese puns!
With peasants.
Cheese sub and have some more.
This isn't Uno. It's the game where players... It's the card... Uno Showdown...
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
So good, honey. I finished with my homework. My turn?
Your turn. Push-up contest, go!
Yeah!
Just want more energy. Click the link to start your fitness journey. All right, go team! Woo!
Anything else, what would it be?
Mario, or New Crusher 64.
Exo Drones has officially made high-end camera drones available to everybody. Playful. With a sport simple enough your kid can do it. State-of-the-art technology that removes phone and a memory card, letting you post it straight to your friends. No experience, no problem.
Aircraft grade aluminum, making them larger and easier to hit, yet still very light and easy.
And just had a real baby, Zoe. Tasha loves showing off her babies and they both share on social media. File storage right in your hands that lets you share files with friends, family, and coworkers, which is a good thing for Tasha, Matt, Zoe, and Chloe, and their new YouTube channel vlog.
How y'all doing?
Our dad just died. How do you think we're doing?
I'm sorry.
Everybody's sorry, and it don't make no difference.